I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling products on Amazon, and it's only going to take 10 minutes. And let's start the timer. The first step to becoming an Amazon seller is to create your Amazon seller account. And you can do that by going to sell.amazon.com. But warning, there are actually two different ways that you can sign up for an Amazon seller account. The first is to sign up for the professional plan, but that is going to cost you $39.99 a month. And here's a secret, you can actually sign up for a free individual seller account. All you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click sign up to become an individual seller. But there is a catch. If you sign up for the free plan, you're going to have to pay an additional 99 cents for every item that you sell. Meaning if you plan on selling more than 40 units per month, then it makes sense to sign up for the professional plan. The professional plan also has a bunch of other features. So the first step is to click sign up, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for your Amazon seller account. After you click sign up, you're just going to need to provide some information, including some personal information like your name, your address, phone number. You're also going to need to have a credit card so that you can pay that Amazon seller fee, as well as you're going to put in your desired store name, your bank account details, and this is so that Amazon can pay you as you start to make money. And there's a few other little things that you'll need to put in, but this step is very quick and very easy. The next step to making money by selling products on Amazon is to find a product to sell on Amazon. And there are three common ways that people sell products on Amazon. The first common way is to go to websites like Walmart.com, and you can find products at a discount. Like this product that's $124 on Walmart.com. But this exact same product is being sold on Amazon.com for $349. So using this way of finding products to sell on Amazon, all you'd have to do is find a product at a discount, buy that product. For instance, we're going to buy this $124 product from Walmart, then sell it on Amazon for that increased price, and you can keep all the profit. This is called retail arbitrage or online arbitrage, because you're either going to go into retail stores where things are being sold at a discount or go onto online websites where things are at a discount, buy them and flip them on Amazon. And the reason this works is because most people only buy things from Amazon. They're not out there hunting for deals. So if you hunt for deals, you can make a lot of money doing this. And the pro with retail arbitrage is it's relatively easy. The con is it's not a good long-term way to build a passive income business. You're constantly going to have to be hunting for new deals. There's also nothing stopping other people from finding and selling the exact same products as you, which leads to the next common way that people sell products on Amazon, and that's called wholesale. This is where you find a product and buy it in bulk with a wholesale discount. For instance, these magnetic blocks that are being sold on globalsources.com for $17.60. And these same products are being sold on Amazon for $40. So you can buy them in bulk with your wholesale discount, flip them on Amazon, and keep all the profit. The pro with this way of selling on Amazon is it is relatively easy. The con, again, is there's nothing stopping other people from selling the exact same product as you. Which brings us to the third way of selling on Amazon, which is called private label. This is where you take an existing product, you slap your brand on it, and you sell it on Amazon. And since it's your own branded product, no one else can sell your branded version of that product. For instance, this shower caddy is a private label product, and it is making $1.3 million per month. And here's a secret, you can actually find out how much any product on Amazon is making by using a free tool. All you have to do is go to that products page, scroll down to the best seller rank number, copy that, and go over to the free Jungle Scout sales estimator tool. You're then going to select the marketplace, which is the United States, as well as the category, which is home and kitchen, and then paste in that best selling rank number. And we can see that there's over 81,000 of these units being sold every month. And since this product is being sold for $16.99, when we multiply those numbers, we see that that means that this product's doing $1.3 million in revenue. And what's crazy about this is this exact same product is being sold on Alibaba.com for $3.80. So all you have to do to private label is buy it in bulk from Alibaba, slap your brand on it, list it on Amazon, and you can make a ton of money doing this. And the pro with this way of selling online is you can make a ton of money. The con is there's still nothing stopping other people from selling the same product with you, but just with a different brand. And that's why I've created my own way of selling on Amazon that I'm going to be teaching you in this video that I call creating a passion product. And it's similar to private labeling, but it's gonna make it really hard for people to copy your product. And make sure to smash the like button because I'm gonna show you how to find your own product to sell on Amazon right now. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Travis. I've been selling online for over 10 years. I've done over $7 million in Amazon sales. And I'm gonna show you the tool that I personally use and recommend for finding products to sell on Amazon. But before I do, it's important for you to understand how Amazon works. And I'm gonna teach you how to hack the algorithm to make as much money as possible. And the key thing to know is that Amazon is just a search engine. People go to Amazon and they type in things that they wanna buy. They then hit search and they're shown a bunch of products that they might wanna buy. And the key thing here is, if you can figure out what people are searching for in Amazon, you can sell them that exact same product and make a ton of money. And that's exactly what this tool does. It's freaking magic. It'll tell you exactly how many times per month people are searching for different things. And this tool is called Helium 10. I have the hookup with Helium 10. You can use the link down below in the description to sign up for a free account, or if you want to unlock all the features, I do have discount codes that allow you to upgrade and unlock all the features of this tool. So let me show you how to use this tool. And the first step is to go down in the description, click on my link and sign up for this tool. Once you have signed up, you're gonna click on the magnet tool. From there, you'll type in something that you're interested in. For instance, I was recently interested in a new supplement called berberine, which helps to regulate blood sugar. So I typed that into this tool and I saw that over 200,000 people per month are searching for berberine. But what's really cool about this tool is it shows you related things that people might be searching for. And you can go down here and you can filter the results. And as I'm going through this, I saw that over 2,000 people per month were searching for exactly berberine tea. And even though there are a lot of berberine supplements on Amazon, no one was selling a berberine tea product. So boom, that's how easy it is to find a product to sell on Amazon. And I actually took this idea, turned it into a product and launched it on Amazon. And in just a little over a month, we made over $3,000. And that's just a small example of how to use this method to find products. I've used the same method to find products that have done over 100,000, even over $1 million. And I've taught this exact same method to over 2,000 students that have joined my Amazon FBA training program. And those students have gone on to have massive success, like AJ, who launched this product and did over $500,000 in sales in just his first year. And I go into much more depth about how to find Amazon FBA products in my full-length Amazon training program, the Passion Product Formula. I'll put a link to that down below if you're interested in learning more from me about that. But I'm also gonna give you guys at the end of this video a free Amazon FBA course. It's an 8-hour course, so make sure you stay till the end for that. And the thing that makes private labeling and creating a passion product different is we're not just taking an existing product, slapping our brand on it. That's something that anyone can do and anyone can copy. We're finding a unique new idea that no one has done yet. We're contacting a manufacturer and we're getting that product made. And this next step is actually really easy. So once you have an idea, you need to find a manufacturer. And there are 3 different ways to find manufacturers for your product. The first is by going to websites like Alibaba.com. And this website will connect you with manufacturers overseas in places like China, India, and all those other countries where it's relatively inexpensive to get your products manufactured. And using Alibaba.com is very easy to do. All you have to do is go to their website, type in whatever type of product that you want to have created. For instance, with cocktail cards, we used Alibaba and all we did was type in flashcards and we got a list of 100 different flashcard manufacturers overseas. However, if you want to find manufacturers in the United States, you can go to thomasnet.com. Same thing, type in what you're looking for, or here is the third and maybe the most powerful way to find a manufacturer, Google. Type in whatever you're looking for, space manufacturer. For instance, with berberine tea, we would type in tea manufacturer or tea private labeler. And one of the big differences between typical private label and what I teach is I teach that you want to create a strong brand, a premium brand, something that when people see on Amazon, they're going to want to buy and they're going to be willing to spend more money for. And if you need help creating your brand, I recommend going with FBAcreatives.com. I'll put a link to them down below in the description, but you can also go to websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Designs to create a premium logo and packaging for your product. And once you've designed your product and created all your packaging, you're gonna send that information to your manufacturer and they're going to create your first production run. From there, you're gonna wanna create a listing for your product on Amazon. And this is very easy to do. All you have to do is fill out some information about the product that you're gonna be selling, including typing in the title, putting in a main image and all these side images of your product, adding the bullet points and a description and a couple other small things, and boom, your product is ready to be shown on Amazon's website. Once you've done that, you can get your product shipped from overseas into an Amazon warehouse. And this is what makes selling on Amazon so powerful. You can take advantage of the FBA program, which stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This is where you send your products into the Amazon warehouse, and when you get a sale on Amazon's website, Amazon will pick, pack, and ship your product from its warehouse to your customer. This means that when you get a sale, you don't have to do any work. You don't have to package your products or go to the post office. Amazon is handling all the hard work of running your business for you. In addition to that, when you use the FBA program, it makes it so your products are Prime eligible. And Amazon has over 160 million Prime customers in the United States alone. And that number is growing every single year. And these are people that want to buy Prime eligible products. So by using the FBA program and making your products Prime eligible, you're going to get a ton more sales, and it's going to make it easy for you to run your business. And sending your products into the Amazon warehouse is easy. All you have to do is log into your seller account, click on the little 3 lines at the top, go to the product that you want to send into the warehouse, and click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Send and Replenish Inventory. After that, you'll provide Amazon with some information about the products in the boxes that you're sending into their warehouse. Your manufacturer can usually help you with this, and I have tutorials here on this channel showing you how easy this is to do. Once your listing is up on Amazon and your products have made it to the Amazon warehouse, you're ready to start selling your product on Amazon and making a ton of money. And as I mentioned, one of the secrets to making money with Amazon is to understand that Amazon is a search engine, and the way to hack Amazon and get your product to the top of the search results is to get as many sales as possible from day one. Amazon's going to see that you're getting a lot of sales, and it's going to move your product higher and higher up in the search results. And boom, just like that, you have a successful Amazon product that's going to be making you a ton of money. And I know that this method for selling on Amazon works because, as I mentioned, I have taught this to over 2,000 people. People like Brent, who did over $1 million in sales last year, even though he had a full-time job as a first responder helicopter pilot and had 2 beautiful kids to raise. I also taught this method to Calvin, who as a young student made over $400,000 in his first year. And there have been a ton of other people that have used this exact method for selling on Amazon and have had crazy results. And if you want my help and mentorship in starting your own Amazon FBA business, there is a link down below for the waitlist for my Amazon FBA training program. However, I do have for you a free 8-hour step-by-step Amazon FBA course. This is a free course. Obviously, if you want some more help, check out that training program in the link down below. But just to get started, I'd recommend right now, click on this free 8-hour course. You can start it right now and you can always come back to it later, but click here, bookmark this video, and I guarantee that this is going to be the most valuable free video that you've ever seen. So click on that video. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.